Mysterious drones have been spotted flying over America, and locals have certainly taken notice, with conspiracy theories, fear, and countless bits of fake footage absolutely spreading across social media. As it turns out, no one can really pinpoint the exact reason drones are appearing, and American officials seem to have differing opinions as to why New Jersey in particular is at the heart of this issue. Some claim it is highly likely to be planes, and some of the footage seems to confirm that, while others claim they're from an Iranian mothership, and some just seem keen to spread disinformation for fun. Any way you look at it, it's certainly become a newsworthy event, and the memes spreading from the insanity surrounding the drones have become inescapable. It feels very reminiscent of that time the Chinese weather balloon was caught, with many believing it to be a spy craft, and eventually it was shot down by American jets. The news and social media cycles went absolutely bananas back then due to the mysterious nature of the balloon, and the same thing is happening now. Perhaps the military will decide to get busy and take the drones out, although at this stage they seem extremely reluctant to do so, considering they do not seem to completely understand what is going on. This has only worsened the general state of paranoia and confusion stemming from the event, and there's no doubt you will see footage of CGI anomalies or even simple planes being passed off as evil drone footage. After all, there's nothing like a good old-fashioned mystery that could potentially be connected to the unknown to rile up the public, and social media, of course, only makes things worse and more exciting at the same time. It's gotten to the point that people are saying they're spotting UFOs across the other side of the world, simply because the attention drummed up by the drone mysteries is reaching all-time highs. And of course, the majority of the footage is extremely blurry, so it's difficult to see exactly what is happening, thus allowing the imagination of the viewer to fill the gaps. The existence of AI-generated footage only adds to the fray, and it's kind of funny how many quite clearly fake clips have made people believe in extraordinary things. In short, the memes, edits, and overall trolling surrounding these drone sightings have blown a confusing situation into a completely mysterious and astounding news story, as the American government seems keen to play it down, and others seem keen to play it up for the sole purpose of pulling in an audience for clicks. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.